Hi, I am Chinmay Jagga and I study in class 6. I study in Bisam Shastranagar School, Ludhiana, Punjab. Today I am going to tell you about fire, boon or bane. So first we should know what is fire. Typically fire comes from a chemical reaction between oxygen in the atmosphere and some sort of fuel, wood or gasoline for example. Of course, wood and gasoline don't spontaneously catch on fire just because they are surrounded by oxygen. For the combustion reaction to happen, you have to heat the fuel to its ignition temperature. So, first we should know the origin of fire. According to archaeologists, control use of fire was invented by our ancestors Homo erectus during Old Stone Age or Lower Paleolithic Age. The discovery of fire happened about 1.6 million years old. The uses of fire are protection, light, heat, cooking. Early man began to make fire later in the Old Stone Age by striking rocks and rubbing sticks. Perhaps one of the most important uses of fire throughout history has been its ability to provide electricity. Over the time, fire has helped us in generating electricity through thermal plants. Every time you turn on a light in your home, flick on the air conditioner, watch the television, or use any other appliance, there is a good chance you have fire to thank for the luxury. While it doesn't seem apparent apartment to many people, electricity does not magically occur without any energy source. So this is some uses of fire. In the Pavli, we burn diyas and make rangolis. So in diyas we add oil and that we add fire. So this is also a use of fire. So now I will tell you about fire, which is a bane. Statistics reveal that inhalation of smoke, gases, and vapors is responsible for the majority of fire deaths. Many new materials are much more toxic than traditional materials. These toxic products usually occur together at fires, and so it is difficult to distinguish the contribution of each. Smoke consists of very fine solid particles. Smoke consists of very fine solid particles and condensed vapor, and is most visible. Gas is a product of combustion that remains in the gaseous state even when cool. Vapors revert back to the solid or liquid state and normal temperatures therefore gradually condense on cool surfaces as they migrate more from the fire. Although 13 of every 14 homes have at least one smoke alarm, almost half of home fire and three-fifths of fire deaths occur in the share of homes with no alarms. There are now more homes with smoke alarms that do not work than homes without alarms at all. Having a smoke alarm cuts your chance of dying nearly in half if you have a home fire. Properly maintaining and regularly Testing your alarms will ensure they will alert you if a fire breaks out. If your alarms are battery operated, how might you remember to replace the batteries regularly? So now I'm going to tell you some fire incidents. The Upahar cinema fire occurred on June 13, 1997 at Upahar Cinema in Delhi, killing 59 people and 103 were seriously injured. Illegal fire factories in Khusropur village, Bihar, caught fire leading to deaths 35 people and left 50 injured in September 2005. In the Sri Krishna Aided High School at Kumbakonam in the Thanjavur district of Tamil Nadu, 94 children were dead and many injured. Arvati fire incident was another worst fire incident in Tamil Nadu in July 2004. The worst of fire incident in the court of Dapawali fire accident occurred on 23 December 1995. Mandi Dapawali in Haryana. 550 people were killed due to fire caused by an electric generator short-circuited at the Stampede. A three-story building collapsed in Ludhiana in November 2017 following a major fire inside the factory. It resulted in deaths of 13 persons, including 9 firemen. It took days for administration to find dead bodies from debris, and 2 bodies were never found as they burnt in ashes. Effects of fire accidents. It can increase the temperature of the area around. It can increase the environmental pollution by increased carbon emissions. If mixed with plastics, man-made fibers, etc., poisonous fumes can be produced which can produce harmful gases. Inhalation of harmful gases can cause respiratory disorders. It can cause loss of life, property, and can also cause serious burn injuries. Wildfire can cause loss of green belt, vast forest cover, which is a home for many animals. It can also kill animals in those forests. It can disturb the ecological balance if animals go homeless due to forest fires. Conclusion: if fire is controlled, if fire is used in a controlled manner, is a boon. If not, it is a bane. So that's all from my side. Chinmay Jagga signing off. Bye.